Hi, good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about how to get a job. I don't want to mention it as a job. I will like to call it as an opportunity. How to get an opportunity in every field. For example, if you have done ITI, diploma, engineering in any branch or whatsoever, like pharmacy, MSc, PhD, whatever, there is so many ways to find an opportunity just by using our social media like Facebook, like Google, or even in Instagram also we can find something. Today I am going to show you about all those things, so please bear me with 10 or 15 minutes. We will go ahead. Okay, let's start with the Facebook. I think you all have the Facebook app. Just go to the Facebook app. In that, select these three sided lines. In there, in the below, you can see so many options like information groups, friends, gaming, whatsoever. In there, you can click see more. If you click see more, there is some options called as blood donation, films, divides, and at the below you can see jobs. Click on jobs. By clicking on job, it will go to Google search engine. So it's like something like while searching in the engine by applying some conditions. Here, for example, you can select a location wherever you want. For example, I want Bangalore, something like 25 km from the center or something like that. Click on apply, and coming to the category, it's depend on your career path, or it depends on your education. See, for example, if you are a MSc graduate or some pharmacy or something like that you have done, click on healthcare, apply. So you can see all the options which are suitable for you. And if you want some more further what we call as something like go depth into that one, you can select full time, part time, or whatever, just an internship or something like that, then apply. Again you can get the suitable jobs which is suitable for you, and you can, by seeing this one, we can apply which is applicable to you. So it's somewhat efficient and it's related to us because it's one of the easiest way to find a job using social network. See, there are so many ways to find other also. So like example, you can go to directly Chrome, search like something like jobs. If you go and search jobs there, even here also it will come to the Google pages. Here just go to the jobs and you can select the category whichever you want. For example, if I have done science and engineering, okay, I will select something like education or whatsoever related to you guys. It's up to you. Just select the thing which is related to you guys. For example, I will select science and engineering and computer IT. See, there are all the jobs which is suitable for you will come. Even there is an option of where it's gone, just a 1 minute. This one, the date posted is very important thing, because we can see the date which has posted. For example, you all know, if a recruitment is there for 1 week ago, we can't apply for a recruitment which is 2 months or 3 months old. So we must always keep it in mind, we must always apply for a requirement within week. So it will be easy for us and we will have a higher possibility of getting selected. And always see, you can turn on the alerts on this search. If any search or if anything again it comes to Google, it will automatically shows the notification to you. For example, you can see a lot of opportunities are there. By using this, we can apply for n number of opportunities. See, I am not telling you will get 100% job. It's all depends on your luck. Sometimes I don't know. See, 50-50 chance in getting a job. Sometimes if you hit a stone, you will hit the what we call goal or not. It's something like a football game, dude. We can't expect always a goal, but something is better than nothing. So we will always try on these things. And always be careful with the fraud things. See, there are many guys I have seen with my eyes and I heard from my friends. There are many guys who are ready to cheat for the opportunity, or the guys who are looking for job. So be careful with this thing, and always remember, nothing is free in the world. So you must try hard to get a job. And see, there are so many courses you can do it. For example, take me as an example. I have done JSpider's course from Bangalore, means in Java. So see, you have the opportunity. You must know how to find it. Make some job searching friends. Be a enthusiastic person and doing hard work. You will definitely get a job. And another way, always be try to find a way. Something like, see, I have seen many guys, if they got some less package at the beginning, for example, he's sitting in home for 1 year. If he got package around 2.5 or 3, they will tell, oh no, I don't want this one, something like. Always grab the opportunity. Once you are experienced, like 1 or 2 years or maybe 3 years, you can ask for 8-9 lakh package. It depends on you. So always be enthusiastic, and we will see on the next. In the upcoming part, we are going to discuss out how to find a questions, means papers, like something like how we can find a interview questions and how to clear those things, and how we must prepare for interview process. For example, the first round will be commonly, it will be aptitude and some technical questions. In the net we can find whatever we want. For example, if you want to find a aptitude questions of the previous paper, something like that, we can find it there. So in the next upcoming part, we are going to see about that one. Thank you. Please share it and please subscribe me. Definitely, I am here to help you. If you want any help, please put on comments. We are going.